So Matt, you're gonna challenge us.
These ridiculous outfits.
This was a challenge.
I'm not wearing any clothes under here. I just want you to know that truly anything can happen.
Mine's a little tight in areas one doesn't want Velcro to be tight in. I'm just saying.
I feel pretty.
Everything's fine. Yeah. I just waxed myself.
I feel like we're working at hot dog on a stick, you guys.
Okay, so here's how it works. We're gonna each get a chance to have a running start. We're gonna launch ourselves by jumping onto the air trampoline and then onto the Velcro wall. The one who gets the highest wins.
Okay.
Anderson, you go first.
Yeah, Cooper! Come on, buddy! You got this!
Oh, I just got stuck again! Anderson, I love you.
What do you do?
Come on, Coop!
Wait, let me do that again. Let me just quickly do that again. Hold on.
All right, Matt.
I'm realizing I think he missed the technique.
Yeah.
You need to do the Titanic.
Uh-oh. Oh, my God.
Yeah! Come on, Kelly.
Okay. I don't really understand it. Here we go. I don't get it.
Jump. Yeah! One more round.
I'm just like, I'm stuck.
I think we broke Kelly.
Here it comes.
All right, watch American Ninja Warrior Monday, 8 p.m. on NBC. We'll be right back.